Yo, what's going on, guys? So it's Kevin back at it again. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how much I personally spent on the entire Civic build. I know it's not complete yet. Just give me one more week, guys. I will slap on the supercharger. It will be complete soon. Keep a side note, I personally did not pay full price for this car. Keep that in mind, which is why I was able to afford the supercharger and all these other mods. I'm thankful to have a great friend that sold me this car for the low. Starting off with the build, I'm gonna showcase you guys everything that I bought and changed out, modified on my Civic, and how much it would cost you guys, give or take, ballpark range. But I will show you guys how much I personally spent on the Civic to getting to where it looks and drives right now. Drives perfectly fine. No grinds, no issues, no overheating, nothing. This car is running immaculate. No major issues at all. I love this car. So I'll start with the interior mods and move my way outside. So I believe this badge was about 20-30 bucks. Came with the car. Coming over here, we have a Acuity short shifter. This was about $400. This shift knob came with the car originally. So Acuity HKS shift knob was, I forgot it came with the car. Ktuner, that costed about $400 as well. Well worth it, worth the investment. Currently I'm sitting at 135, 136, whatever you want to call it. It's a great, nice mod that you can add to your car, any car. You just need a cigarette lighter right here. So that was $10. Oh, this Broadway mirror, you can get this for like 10, 15 bucks on Amazon, anywhere. Let's move on to the outside. Start with wheels and suspension, BT Racing coilovers all around, costing me $1,000. I have Works Motion D9R, biscuits, lug nuts. Spec D headlights, these costed me about 300 bucks. Front HFP kit. I did have a front lip on this. It flew off on the freeway. I hit a bump, but yeah, front HFP kit. I have the whole HFP kit all around. Side skirts. Description box below for you guys. It's only like 10 bucks. Window visors came with the car. Rear roof window visor came with the car again. Also do have this Megan Racing strut bar. Andy Allah taking turns. DX Racing quarter intake. Stock K24, no boost yet. It's all bone stock. You walk around of what the car looks like.